God, they were a bunch of funny people. I still see some of them. Kevin Butler, who's the kicker, and McMahon. I see him sometimes. He does crazy stuff.
Yeah, so many characters on that team. I wonder if we remember them just because because of the song or because there was so much focus on that team. Like William the Refrigerator Perry is, I mean, the greatest nickname perhaps of all time. Yeah. Is that he somebody that you knew?
Yeah, back then,
yeah.
You know, and he's in South Carolina, and he, you know, nowadays he does like hot dog eating contests, but a really sweet guy. And famously, he weighed like 300 pounds, but he could jump up onto a table.
Yeah.
He had extraordinary skill. He could dunk a basketball, eat hot dogs.